What's the difference between these very similar sounds in English? We're going to start with the short I and the long E. Feet. Live, leave. Next is the short A, and the long A. Hat, hate. Fat, fate. We're going to also look at the short A, again, but now with another A, another long A, which is So, bat, bad. Sat, sad. Next, we're going to look at the short O, and the long O. Cot, coat. Not, note. Next, we're going to look at versus I. They're both short sounds. Pen, pin. Ten, tin. Listen again, keep practicing, and follow for more. Thank you.